Hello friends, welcome to the course Winning Upwork, a gateway to make career on freelancing business. Are you excited to learn something new? Well, before starting the course, I want to tell you that there are three types of people out there. One, who buy courses but never study, or even if they start, they never finish. The second category people buy courses, they study, they learn, but they do not apply that knowledge practically. Believe me, most of the people are either in the first or in the second category. But the good news is, there is a tiny percent of people like you who study, learn, imply, and finally become the gainer. So, if you are in the last category, what I am sure you are welcome to skip the whole section 1. But if you are not, this section 1 will help you to prepare yourself for this business. Actually, for any type of business you want to do. So, either you can skip it or let's start. Henry Ford once said, if you think you can do a thing or you think you can't do a thing, you are right. This is the evergreen truth you must adapt. When you are entering this business, the first thing you need is to think that you can't do it. Yes, this is what you need the most. You may ask, why? Because this is not like a cakewalk or an easy to earn money online scam. In reality, there is no such way to earn easy and consistent money for a long time. You may earn millions from a casino overnight, right? But can't do it again and again. So if you are thinking this course will teach you some tricks that fill your pocket immediately, sorry then. I invite you to leave this course right now. But if you have the courage of changing your life and want to live the life you desire, then you are welcome. Believe me or not, the technical parts of the Upwork freelancing are secondary. Yes, you heard me right. The primary and mandatory part is setting up your mind for the marathon you are going to run. Remember, with the wrong mindset, you will always get on the wrong path. I am not demoralizing you. This is not my intention. I am just trying to help you by sharing my experiences so that you don't have to do the same mistakes I did. Let's hold for a second. I want you to close your eyes, take a deep breath and say, yes, I can do it. Say it again. Yes, I can do it. Okay then. Great. Are you feeling excited? Yes? Okay. You need to hold that excitement for a long time. This is not very hard, believe me. You just need to follow two basic principles. Two things that make you ready for the race. Two things that make you unpredictable for this business. Better say, for any business. So, what are these two principles? The first one is setting goals rather than making wishes, and the second one is consistency. Let's start with the first principle. People often get confused with goals and wish. Setting goals and making wish are completely different things. But most of us can't make it apart. Initially, both look the same, where in reality they are not. If they were, most of the people become successful in life. We want many things in life, don't we? I want to be a pop star. I want to be a millionaire. I want to be an actor. I want to buy a Ferrari. I want to buy a big apartment and blah blah blah. We all have our wish, and without wish, we can't become what we want to be. So, this is necessary to have a wish for becoming successful. And nowadays, you can see on the internet, books, TV shows, and everywhere that if you want something badly, you must get it. But this is actually half the equation, not the whole picture. Only wish will never get you on your destiny. Wish is actually an imaginary factor. Suppose you are thinking that you earn six figures per year and you are thinking this daily, hours after hours. Is that really going to make a difference? Not exactly. For success, only your wish will not work. You also need two real factors along with your imagination to make your dreams true. These two factors are time and sacrifice. Okay, let me explain it with an example. Suppose you want to earn six figures a year. So, if you write it down, your wish statement will look like this. I want to earn six figures per year. See, this is just your imagination. It will not give you any direction on how you can achieve this, right? Let's add a real factor, time, in this statement. It will now become I want to earn six figures per year from 2020. You see, you now have a certain time period to make this happen. Finally, adding the second real factor, that is sacrifice, in this statement will make it more concrete. You need to ask yourself what you can sacrifice to make your wish a reality. Once you get the answer, your wish will become a goal. You can now write this statement like that. I will sacrifice 3 productive hours from my everyday routine so that I can earn 6 figures per year from 2020. See the difference? How the term I want becomes I can? Back to Henry Ford's word, you are now thinking that you can do a thing, aren't you? So that's it for the lesson. Here is an action step for you. Take a paper and a pen and write down the answers to the 3 questions you see in the video. Please take time, think properly and be very honest with you while writing the answers. Later, I will show how you can use this knowledge in the Upwork business. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you so much for watching this video.